Hey guys, so one of the questions that came up was just about how to post on the discussion board. So I wanted to screencast this really quickly for you guys, show you how to post. So right now I have this up in student view for one of my classes. So this is exactly what things should look like for you. On our homepage right here, you load this up and what you see is on the very top is our current week, March 16th to March 20th. Below that, course information. Below that, a future week, and future and past weeks always be towards the bottom. Always click on the weekly introduction and to do for each week, and it's going to give you some information there about what to do. That's important for this week because there's a piece of information for the discussion board of how to do that right there. So what we're talking about for this is the quick discussion board. So click on that. As you click on that, what you would want to do to post, if you scroll down, you can't view anyone's replies until you post. So it's pretty straightforward. You have to click this reply button. So you click on the reply button. I'm just going to write test on there. And then right underneath in blue, post reply. Basically with Canvas, for our Canvas, just always look for the blue link. The blue link is always going to probably be what pushes you forward. Like cancel is in gray, but post reply is in blue. So as I post that, I'm right on the bottom. I'm just under test student because I'm in student view. But right on the bottom, you have it here. If you're applying to a classmate, so you see Ashita right here, I'm going to click on reply on the bottom left right under her post. And if I put test once again, blue button, post reply. Now you can see that reply goes under her post, not as its own post. If I go back up to the top, there's still that same reply button right here. If I click on that, it's going to create a new post. I'll just do that again actually to show you really quick. Test 2. If I post it there, it's on its own box. You can see this isn't attached to anything, it's its own box. When you post your replies to classmates, you want to hit the little reply button right underneath their post on the bottom left there, because then it's going to be attached. You see how this one is attached to Ashita's post. All right, if you have questions from there, let me know.